Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic, which is a 3 litre diesel. This car is next due for a service in June 21 and has previously had 3 owners. As you can see, you have a black contrasting roof, 21-inch diamond tone finish alloys, privacy glass, which is great to keep your personal items safe, along with a powered tailgate. Plenty of space there in the boot, but you can also put the seats down if you need more room. An electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one and can also be hidden away when you're not using it. Continuing round the car and going into the back of the vehicle. As you can see, the seats still look like brand new and have hardly been sat on. And you do also have heated seats in the back, which ensures all passengers have a luxury journey. Going to the front, you also have keyless entry, which is handy if you've got your hands full. Illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a gorgeous leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light and is really nice to open on a sunny day, but you can also pull the blind all the way across if you wish. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving: grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl, or you can push it down for auto. Heated front seats, which are definitely a luxury in winter. Sat nav, which is ideal if you're ever in an area you're not familiar with, and you do also have 2D and 3D options depending on your own preference. A rear view camera, which makes parking and reversing so much easier, especially in a bigger vehicle. Bluetooth, enabling you to make calls whilst on the go. Cruise control and a speed limiter, which is ideal for motorway driving. Memory seats, which is useful if there's several people driving the car. And this car has done 41,670 miles. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a lovely Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.